Māori. Māori are the first peoples of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Māori people lived here for hundreds of years before people from other parts of the world started arriving. Māori can also be called tangata whenua, or people of the land. Tangata whenua means people of the land. It is another name for Māori people. When you go to a marae, it is the tangata whenua of that special place who greet you because they belong to that area. Pakeha. Māori chose the name Pakeha for the newcomers to Aotearoa, New Zealand. The word Pakeha means New Zealanders who have pale skin, or whose ancestors came from Britain and Europe. Ancestors are people like your grandparents and your great-grandparents. Tauiwi. Tauiwi means all New Zealanders who are not Māori. Tauiwi includes Pakeha people and people from many other countries. Whanau, family. Whanau is the Māori word for family. It includes all your grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, nieces and nephews. So it is your extended family. Whanau. Hapu. A group of whānau who come from the same area is called a hapu. Hapu are very important groups for Māori. It is good to know the name of the hapu where you live. Rangatira. A leader of a hapu is called a rangatira. The job of the rangatira is to do what the people ask him or her to do. Hapu are very important groups, so it was the rangatira of Hapu who signed the Treaty of Waitangi. Iwi. Many hapu together can make up an iwi. Around the country there are many whānau, hapu and iwi. Some names of iwi are Ngapuhi, Ngāti Whātua, Ngāti Maru, Ngai Te Rangi, Ngāti Raukawa, Ngāti Maniapoto, Ngai Tūhoi, Te Aotearoa, Ngāti Toa, Ngāti Kahungungu, Rangitāne, Ngāti Kuia, Ngāti Tama, Kaitahu, Kati Mamoe. Let's say the words for the peoples of Aotearoa again. Māori, tangata whenua, Pakeha, Tauiwi, Whanau, Hapu, Rangatira, Iwi. These are some of the Māori words for the peoples of Aotearoa.